Chief Minister Nongthongban Birren launches online ticketing platform for Shanghai Festival 2022. Works Minister Govindas THANGJAM calls for wise use of plastic products and management of plastic waste to save the earth. And Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit says government will provide various benefits to those interested in oil palm cultivation. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. And I'm PREMI THANGJAM bringing you the news in details. Chief Minister Nongthongban Birren today launched online ticketing platform www.shanghai-ticket.com to avail tickets for Shanghai Festival 2022 online. Upcoming Shanghai Festival will be held in 13 venues across the state. The state's biggest tourism festival will be held from November 21st to 30th. Visitors from across the globe are expected to attend the 10-day festival. Chief Minister N.B. Works Minister Govindas THANGJAM calls for wise use of plastic products and management of plastic waste to save the earth. He was speaking at the launch of a plastic bottle bank in Bishnupur district under Clean India campaign today. District Administration Bishnupur, Samvardhini Nyas Manipur Prant and NYK Bishnupur jointly organized the program. Bishnupur DC Laurembam Bikram NYK Bishnupur Deputy Director Dr. Dhana Salam, co-convener of Samvardhini Nyas Manipur Prant O Indira and district level officers attended the program. Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit says government will provide various benefits to those interested in oil palm cultivation. He was speaking today at the closing event of the 4-day state-level Krishi Mela held on the theme Transforming Agriculture by State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Sameti, Manipur and Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen in Palace Compound. Minister Biswajit stressed on the benefits of oil palm cultivation and encouraged people to take up oil palm cultivation to boost economy. Best performing farmers were felicitated at the event. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Y. Radheshyam, Wabagai MLA Dr. Usham Debin and Agriculture Commissioner R.K. Dinesh attended the event.
Akwai da 88 lakhs lai PMKSY da karigino har kana masi farmer ge sit kini sit ki leriba posing si akwai farmer sing sin lai ra kanda akwai phau harasi koi moina piri maman tu sana dihari bra at the rate of the akwai 10 lupa tara kg amada akwai subsidy oina pigedabni ado phau gi phau di leru ra kanda akwai da leru ra habgi po to produktabna mana mar kana akwai ngasi scheme ji implement tobungamde mamang da tawrami cabinet na by conventional oina adum diesel lor kanda akoina maru si afang paisa duna leir kana yethopoi tormi adubu masi tungi due course ta phataba lakpa yai haidana koi ngasi khana ra kana khana hana ju khana adu ministry da thar kana ministry na signal am pira gadi adu tawji haidana tawi aduna farmers sing da aina haijabadi yambra yamdaba akoi tv dana akoi leriba tawum thopudu thawdu tawira kanda masi gi paisa je lawi bu matam da akai ba kari lege.
Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Letpao Haukip and Transport Minister Kashim Washum today inaugurated the District Transport DTO Office for Technopal District. Manipur Transport Secretary Michael Chom, Director Dr. Navedita Layan Lakpam, DC Technopal Ranjan Yumnam, government officials, leaders of CSOs and village chiefs attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Letpao Haukip said the DTO office in Technopal district and similar offices in other districts of Manipur have been opened in the interest of public. He urged the residents of Technopal district to extend support to officials of government departments. Transport Minister Kashim Vashum expressed belief that the newly opened DTO office will ease the inconveniences of Technopal residents. He appealed to abide by norms and guidelines while dealing with vehicle-related paperwork.
Any kind of one strike sing say Nangaraga, Tanaraga solution lakung actani. Any government property, the public property. Me amagila nagi kalambi nati. Government office sing, Pazina run to Hanbada officer sing, Mateng Toraga, Apoigi Akaba hospitality, Pira Kandakat, Apoigi, the 6 Chapalakani.
Pungyar MLA Laishio Kaishing assures of providing drinking water to every household in the constituency by next year. He was speaking at the felicitation program for meritorious students of the constituency held at Ramrai Eco Park in THANGJAM district today. Addressing the felicitation cum advent Christmas program, MLA Laishio Kaishing said potable water has reached most of the places in Pungyar constituency and the remaining areas will be covered by next year. Meritorious students of the constituency who secured good marks in class 10 and 12 examination 2022, including those who secured first division and letter marks, were felicitated. Health Academy of Kamlang village was rewarded for being the best school of the constituency. Individuals from the constituency who excelled in various fields including sports were also felicitated on the occasion.
Pungyar Kendra se education sector da yam sotharabni lambi thong charamdaba amadi school gi oja sudaba amadi mai ising leitabagi hana yam waramne hojik mathang akoi si semkat naba tauri khun da ising yaure yaudab sing duna hojik kanna sem sar lele. By next year every house will be connected with water. Mai thungdaba khun khara leri adu se loina thungnaba hotnari bank leihanba communication phanba hospital leihanba population si leitamina adu mayam da purak se habada yam awaba man aigi wakhan vision di karnodi modern amenities phangba yaba mayam si phangnab si population dargar aduna population do semba mafam amda conglomeration oiba khun mayam dei laraga punba yaba akhoi mayam chakhat basi tawna be kan hotnabne adu mayam su si ko.
Wangoi MLA Khuraijam Loken today inspected the ongoing repair of roads by District Rural Development Agency DRDA Imphal West under PWD in Wangoi constituency. The MLA warns against poor works. The team led by MLA Khuraijam Loken inspected the road repair from Iram Sipai to Leprakpam, Irom Maijrao, Mutum Pibau to Chongtham Kona, Samura Wangoi Makalaikai and Yumnam Huidrom. PWD Assistant Engineer Fazlur Rahman, DRDA Imphal West Executive Engineer S. Arun Kumar and Assistant Engineer H. Ojit Kumar were the team. MLA Loken said road construction is going on in 6 places under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund in Wangoi.
This koi mafong khada masina subu su ui adu mafong khada hek magi niom yuwang da subu su ui masi koi halan gani adum masi halalaga dum suan gani aduna thabak niom chubna su daga de koi payment ju niom chubna tawroi government ju payment ju piba su koi lai ba saka ju payment ju piroi thabak chum rabdi adun khaba ma tawon tam de any contractor any person amna koi gi thabak tawo ma tam de department gi authority yaw na ta thabak ko su sujan ba photo to madu tawo yaroi department gi sina ho jing ji punna pullaga koi ga laiba ongoi sigi manungda any department mu thaba mala ko matam da koi niom chumna krai na krai baba masi kanyam changadom kyam pakadom kyam chawadom no praja miyam da khangalaga koi niom chumna thabak tawji hai wa pham nei mayam da tham.
Ketrigao MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan announces 20 lakh rupees each to every self-help group of each polling station in Ketrigao constituency. The MLA made the announcement at a meeting of self-help groups in Ketrigao constituency at his residence today. Speaking at the meeting, Sheikh Nurul Hassan assured of fulfilling his pre-poll promises and work for the welfare of the people. Beneficiaries of the 20 lakh rupees help from 2 polling stations were selected through lottery at the meet. The MLA informed that similar meetings and lottery will be held every 2 months. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee members along with representatives of civil bodies today thronged the residence of Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly THANGJAM at THANGJAM Laikai and submitted a memorandum to the Speaker demanding state government to send necessary recommendation to the Centre for enlisting Maitai or Mitai community in the scheduled tribe list. Speaking on the sidelines, Speaker THANGJAM extended support to the committee's demand and assured of apprising the relevant authorities on the same.
aduga ai personal level da haijo hairagadi masi akoi yang chumna chatto khongthang mani do adu masina akoi indigenous riba manipur gi group basi kanmung ngoni habi da chet thajab su thami aduna masi makha taba atopa khongjeng sing la komatam da su ai personal level da ina pangba ya ba mateng leiragadi mission biro hi su dum pangjege aduga mayam gi apamba wa hi wata wali mayam su libiri madu punamang aina sarkar gi manung da mak yaw kon natraga su sarkar Sarkar Sukucha Library Honorable Chief Minister Amadi Atopa colleague sing ai wari si yong jage amasung makoi de isu achobo support long na hona jage and mayam mafam thamje.
Chiefs of various villages in Chandal district have expressed disappointment that government has failed to initiate developmental activities in the district despite their district being recognized as an aspirational district. T.S. Rungwar Anal today took oath as the president of Naga Chief Association Chandal for 2022 to 2025 during a program held at Chandon Pokpi in Chandal district. Speaking on the occasion, T.S. Rungwar appealed to launch necessary developmental works in Chandal district, which has been shortlisted by BJP government as an aspirational district. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today commemorated the 105th birth anniversary of India's first and only woman Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. CLP leader Okrami Bobi, MPCC President K. Meghachandra, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam, Congress MLAs along with party workers offered floral tributes to the statue of Indira Gandhi during the observance held at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The birth anniversary of Indira Gandhi is observed as Qawmi Ekta Divas across the nation. Speaking on the occasion, Okrami Bobi praised Indira Gandhi for her contributions in bringing a united India. He added that Indira Gandhi laid down her life for the sake of integrity and harmony of the country. Country's first woman Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on her 105th birth anniversary today. She was born on November 19th of 1917 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. She served as a Prime Minister from January 1966 to March 1977 and from January 1980 to October 1984. Sawombong Students Club and Maira Paibi groups warned of blocking Imphal Ukrul Road indefinitely from November 28 if government and relevant authorities fail to start repairing the road stretch from Sawombong Gate to Saikul, transversing through Paurabi Kaibi Sagolmang by November 27th. Press note from the club said government and relevant authorities have not responded positively to many complaints raised by the locals to fix the road. One-day continuing medical education program on the theme combating the silent pandemic of antimicrobial resistance. One Health Approach was held as a part of World Antimicrobial Awareness Week at Shijo Academy of Health Sciences, Lango today. Department of Microbiology Shijo Academy of Health Sciences organized the program. Speaking on the occasion, Head of Microbiology Department of Shijo Academy of Health Sciences, Dr. K. Chulochina said, misuse and overuse of antibiotics has led the antimicrobial resistance, causing difficulties in treating even simple diseases. She warned against taking antibiotics without consulting doctors. She said World Health Organization in 2015 decided to ban some antibiotics to curb the threat posed by antimicrobial resistance. Managing Director of SAHS Dr. K.H. Palin and Director Dr. M. Amuba were among the other eminent persons who attended the program.
over the counter antibiotic phangiba myam se si adum leira saidana koi lok thunge kedum leira sasale dose su de dose su draga di antibiotic bacteria do dum mapangan kan behengale adu da sanadaba ama semgrani mase admain tawdana si akoi yang kanna si akoi tomdagi thabaknate medical practitioners su doctors su adagi policy makers su all the not only this akoi gi agri sector da su animal husbandry da su moise poultry feed ta dagi growth promote tawnaba tawba myam se doina myam se akoi punna khanna minaraga policy ma kamaina prevent tawsige haisanga sigi team sisu preventing antimicrobial resistance together never.
Swachhta Run. A run for Sampurna Swachhta was held today in connection with the World Toilet Day. Arjuna awardee Shushila Likmabam flagged off the run from Ibudho Marching Shrine. The run ended at Maibakul. Speaking on the occasion, Executive Engineer of PHED Imphal East Division, Kongkham Bideshwari said World Toilet Day observance aim to spread public awareness on global sanitation crisis and the importance of proper toilet. She added that India was declared open defecation free in 2019. Public awareness on toilet and sanitation will be conducted from today till January 26, 2023 under Retrofit to Twin Pit Abhiyan. Cash awards were handed over to winners in men's and women's category of Swachhta Run. Hangang Gram Panchayat Pradhan K. Jenta elected members of Waiton GP, Kontha Khabam GP and Larigyeng Bamlaikai Gram Panchayat, top officials and staff of PHED Imphal East Division took part in the observance.
Mayam the awareness people in a hadi toilet asi sarva matunda toilet sizinabagi habit thambiba duna nana thamba akoiba the motion bala hendaba haiba pandam sida pangthok sabani 2019 gi 2nd October da open defecation free haina India pumbagi lauthokhraba matunda hujik se akoina campaign sum chathari hadi mayam na toilet se fajana sizinadaba amora kai hundok pidanaba duna nana thambagi masina akogi 2023 gi 26 January da akogi the box Chathagadeba, retrofit to Twin Pit Abhiyan Sigi campaign amagi sarusu ogedoriman.
World Toilet Day was also observed at Yaidipok, Khoirom, Kangjebung in Thoubal district today. PHED Thoubal division organized Swachhta Run from Thoubal Paudel to Yaidipok, Khoirom to create awareness. Cash prizes were distributed to the winners of the run. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring in updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Dr. Helena Optometric College North AOC Imphal के academic session 2022-23 के admission हाउसरे program offer Bachelor of Optometry specialties का मटिक चारवा infrastructure गलोइना secure campus spacious classroom अमरी well-maintained library meritorious students सिंगी special fee concession अमरी scholarship well qualified dedicated अमरी experience लेरबा ओजा सिंगना ताकपी तंबीगनी नुपा मचा अमरी नुपी मचा की secure अमरी separate hostel Dr. Helena Eye Hospital and Institute Daily training की खुदों चाव सुलेगनी लोइनना course असी हैक लोइबका India अमरी अवॉर्डा चाद चामा job placement लेगनी अकुपा मरोल की दमक 9774065535 टा contact you.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8.
Presto Personalized Wonders Imphal da nauna hangdok chere haidiba asida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlam sing mafam asida phangbigani ngasi maglangsing birau Tilak Ras Enterprises Presto Thangal Bazar near Kasturi Thong Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
The State Institute of Hotel Management Manipur. State Institute of Hotel Management Manipur na Dhanmunjari University ki Makhada Hotel and Hospitality Administration ki course khara offer tauzari. Madudi 5 bachelor's degree, 2 master's degree amadi 3 diploma program ni. Diploma in Aviation, Hospitality and Tourism ki registration hauzare. Hairiba course C duration 12 months ni. Interested oiba candidate na ngasimak sign up tawina ba khanghanjari. Last date of registration na 30 November ni. Ako pamarol gidamak phone number 811078751 da contact tawbirak pa yaragani.
Each moment brings memories forever.
It is a collection of such memories that write the story of life. Hatil, live and relive.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. India added 33 new COVID-19 cases and 34 deaths in last 24 hours. As per the latest report of Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 active caseload stands at 6,782. Death toll reaches 5,30,570. Over 219 crore 85 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in India so far. Manipur reported 2 new positive cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. As per the latest report from State Health Department and COVID-19 Common Control Room, coronavirus has affected 1,39,908 people so far and death toll remains at 2,149. Manipur reported 1 recovered case in the past 24 hours. Active cases are 8 at present. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 64 crore 27 lakh 37,000 people. It has claimed above 66 lakh 25,000 people and recoveries are above 62 crore 19 lakh 45,000. USA has the highest active cases of above 13 lakh 45,000 in the world. Nahakpam Food and Beverages under the aegis of Manipur Organic Mission Agency today flagged off 1.5 metric tons of locally produced organic kiwi fruits for Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Speaking on a sideline, Aribam Ponika, MoMA project officer, said that a total of 9.5 metric ton of locally produced organic kiwi fruits had been exported so far. Assuring of providing markets for all the natural and organic producers and to help boost the income of farmers in the state, Aribam Ponika said the export of kiwi fruits from the state have fetched 15,20,000 rupees. She loaded kiwi fruit farmers of Purul, Mau, Tadubi and Tungjoy of Senapati district.
Ngasi Indore da kiwi hariba fruit asi punna 1,500 kg Indore da thadokre masiga tharaga khoina hojik phawada handaki season gi oina punna 9,500 kg 9.5 metric ton asi thadokpa ngamkhre hariba export toriba si khoina MoMA gi makhada Nahakpam Food and Beverage hariba agency gi through da khoina tawjabani handaki season gi oina thadokliba kiwi asi value oina punna khoi rupees 15.2 lakh punna khoi phangba ngamkhre makhata na su Manipur Organic Mission Agency gi makhada koina paikhatliba crop amadi atopa organic product nataba atopa natural products kaya farmers na puthokpa products horticulture products kaya mapanda aduma khakigani.
Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Dr. Paunam Gunindro, says organizing programs that bring together all the indigenous communities on regular basis will help in promoting love and bonding among communities living in the state. Dr. Paunam Gunindro was speaking while attending the first Foundation Day celebration of Inat Yokatlup EYL at GM Hall today. He further emphasized on the need for present generation to read the ancient book of Poireiton Kuntok, which holds testimony to the long-shared relations among indigenous communities living in the state, and this will help in further strengthening the bond among communities. President of EYL P. Oken Mitai, President of Kabui Union Manipur Dr. K. Hira Kabui, President of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Lup Omangle Mitai, and leaders of Southern Tangkhul, A's Longfang, Maring Uparup Assembly and Yaho Chiru attended the program.
Dam si macana chinana le roi wari se dam yam phajani yauri ba masi ko ridam kuntok teo high school na moina have da Kabui Tarau Maring adi Tangkhul adi ati mayam le ba dam si fruit mayam sing se so ti mayam sing si punna le ni ba moi custom mayam sing tha bi la se apoi ni theng kadai de theng na bi ha to ba ko ri tum kuntok se yam phajani yauri ba kramai to na moi नाट की फिजोल मोई कस्टम्स नौकासी थाना अखोई मसी यामना लेरपा मसी अखोई नमु निंसिंगना ngasai thaini di leminari myam singse masi akoin apunba don thormo ma pangthok pa se hojiki lai ma matak se yam sunaba yam nang tangai phadabani.
One-day breast cancer awareness free cancer screening and health camp was held at Kwakaithil Tadim Ground Community Hall in Imphal today. Chabi Sayong Foundation, Manipur Prant, Youth Rising Star Club, Kwakaithil, Haino Khongnembi, Thauchom Lekai and Devdas Samajik Pratistan jointly organized a program which aimed to eradicate cancer. Speaking on the sidelines, Medical Director of H.J. Doshi Ghat Koper Hindu Sabha Hospital, Dr. Vaibhav Diogirkar, said the cancer cases are rising across the globe as a result of lifestyle and food habits. He maintained that cancer is curable if detected and treated earlier.
Prevention is always better than cure. So here our doctors, they are going to teach the patient on the preventable aspects. They are going to teach the patient about the self-breast examination. We have brought the brochures and training material for the examination purpose and all. So they will screen, see the patients, spread the awareness about the breast cancer and the other cancers. The people from the Manipur should definitely take the advantage of this camp.
A free medical camp was held at 3V Hospital in Langol, Laimanai, Imphal. The camp highlighted free OPD consultation for general medicine, general surgery and dental, alongside availing screening for hepatitis B and C and blood sugar tests free of cost. Locals of Guigailong, Grace Colony, Kombirai Housing Complex, Tarung, Naikanglong, LYDO Club, Ramgailong, Eol Club and Lantun Ching took part in the camp and availed health check-up. National Control Program of Tobacco, Taubal and Food Safety Unit Taubal under the supervision of District Administration Taubal jointly carried out a drive against tobacco at Taubal Bazaar and Wangching Bazaar. Officials led by National Control Program of Tobacco Dr. K.H. Trusty, CMO Taubal Dr. Y. Nokul, Taubal Police Station 2nd OC Sudhir and designated Food Safety Officer Taubal Yumnam Satyajit seized several tobacco products which were found selling in different shops during the drive. Those who were found selling tobacco and tobacco products were also made to pay fine by the team. In connection with this, Nodal Officer Dr. Trusty stressed that the public must abide by government laid down norms while selling tobacco related products, and those who violated the norms are punishable under the law. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights had organized awareness on child trafficking at 5th Assam Rifles Training Hall in Moreh. Manipur SCPCR Program Officer Yumnam Sumail stressed on child trafficking and its prevention at the program. Commissioned member Sage Anita also attended the program. Kanglay Apun Bastin Lone Loop Kontaujam organized second yellow pulup Hiangay Ningol Chakobachara Chingdam but today. Women from 9 Kabui villages in Kontaujam area attended the event held at Ibuthaw Nongda Lairil Pakhang Bashanglin. A grand feast followed by presentation of Ningol Chakoba gifts marked the event.
Yellow Moidagi Hominera Abako, Asigumba, Quigi, Matamna, Adagi Mapamna, Lepamna, Puruk Kanglup Tungan Graba, Isel Ising, Aquina Punna, Amato and Nuxinabagi, Quigi Hana Sanarapa, Adugumba, Quigi Nuxinabagi, Iseldo, Madu Amu, Hanjanabagi the Makta Aquina, Quigi Hiangai Sindamba, Maite Kanoda, Niwan Chakobase, Masi Amu Aquai, Hanamu, Lingjabani, Togjabaniko, Queen Tamzeri Pandamdi, Niwal Sing Sinamasagi Punsigi, Pire, Lamsa Chaza, Lingnam Honazarapoda. Angamba Mating Pangjaba, Ado Ningon Singasi, Punsida, Yumban, Kaibandana, Masama Sutalapa, Wana, I think that's quite a number, Mating Pangjaba.
Preliminary round of 18th Best of Amik for Amik Taubal District Center has been conducted at Social and Cultural Association Ground in Lamding, Elangbam, Lekai. Contestants sang one Manipur film song each of their choice. Laishram Arjun Singh from Kangabok Sorok Wangma won the first place. Wangbal Lamboithong resident Amrika Sorokhaibam bagged the second place, and Kangabam Sanathoi Mangang from Kangabok Awang Laikai won the third place. All the winners were presented with cash awards and mementos sponsored by different individuals from Thoubal district. Ningombam Tomba, Bisho Chanambam and Himachal Hidam were the judges. The three winners will represent Thoubal district in the Best of Amik Grand Finale on December 18th. Results for state-level RTI-ASA competition, which was conducted jointly by Manipur Information Commission and DM University on the occasion of RTI Week 2022 on October 22nd, has been declared. Press note from Manipur Information Commission informs that Yumlembam Santo of DM College of Science bagged the first position, Loitongbam Marinda of GP Women's College bagged the second position, and Sagol Sem Lamjing Mamitai of DM College of Science bagged the third position. A song titled Mangphade Sangai was released today as a part of 10-day long Sangai festival starting from November 21st. The song is based on conservation of Sangai was released by critic, writer Raj Mani Ayekpam during a program held at Manipur Press Club. The song is penned by M. Indrajit and Mairaba Moirangcha, composed by director of Pal and Tiken, and sung by renowned Kunung Ishai artist Dipu Kuraton Konung. Manipur police beefed up security measures to prevent any untoward incident ahead of Manipur Sangai Festival. Imphal West District Police Commando team conducted cordon and search operation this morning in various parts of the district. Commando team carried out search operation in Nagamapal Kangjabi and Nagamapal Phaugai Sangbam Laikai from 6:30 a.m. till 8:15. 200 residents, including 8 bailouts of 60 households, were verified. No one was picked up during the operation. Education Minister THANGJAM Basantakumar wishes all the children around the world on the occasion of International Children's Day, which falls on November 20 this year. This year's International Children's Day theme is A Better Future of Every Child. The minister urges public to advocate, celebrate and promote children's rights to secure the future of every child. Bahujana Sahitya Academy National Committee of India has conferred Vaidya Ratna National Award 2022 to Thongam Binodini from Thongju and B. Amusana of Thangmaiban, who had earlier won the Florence Nightingale Award 2011. The Vaidya Ratna National Award 2022 are presented to the person who are excelling in various fields. Thongam Binodini and B. Amusana had been presented the award for their service and contribution in the field of nursing. National President of Bahujana Sahitya Academy, Nala Radhakrishna, and Bahujana Sahitya Academy Manipur State President Panjobam Lanajit presented the award during the 3rd Bahujana Writers National Conference held at Gharwal Bhavan, New Delhi on November 13th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today stressed that development projects are no longer halted or delayed. He said the government has brought a work culture of laying the foundation stone and also inaugurating the projects. After inaugurating the Don Ye Polo Airport at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh, Prime Minister Modi said the government has ensured on-time completion of all the undertaken development projects. He said hindrance, pendency and diversion are not aspects of the government. The Prime Minister also dedicated a 600 MW Kameng hydro power station to the nation. The airport is equipped with ultra-modern facilities to ensure all-weather operations. The name of the airport is given after Don Ye and Polo, that is Sun and Moon. Chief Minister Pema Khandu said that the airport will ensure seamless connectivity and ease of access to Itanagar. He said it will give a big boost to trade and tourism and will have a catalytic impact on the economy of Arunachal Pradesh. Winter session of Parliament will commence from December 7th and continue till December 29. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi said the session will have 17 sittings spread over 23 days. Now the sports news. Lamphel Polo Club and Manipur Police Polo team beat their opponents in today's matches of the first Chief Minister Sagol Kangjai Championship organized by All Manipur Polo Association under the aegis of Government of Manipur. In the second match played at Kangla Kangjai Bung Imphal, Lamphel Polo Club thrashed Bishnupur District Polo Association in 49, while in the third league match, Manipur Police Polo team dropped Thoubal District Polo Association in 27-11. Nambul Mapal Polo Club will meet Tentha Polo Club in the fourth league match, and CRPF Polo team will meet Laman Sagol Club in the fifth league match tomorrow. FC Imphal Kwakaitel and VSAI Thangmaiban will meet in the final of the second Moirangte Manauton Singh and M. Chandra Shaki Devi Master Football Championship on November 26. In the first semi-final match played today at artificial turf ground of Lamlong Thongkong, CF Imphal Kwakaitel defeated VFC Kakwa in penalty shootout of 5-2 and enters the final. VSAI Thangmaiban thrashed Flam scoring 2-1 in the second semi-final. The Veteran Football Championship is organized under the aegis of Sunday FC Larigimbam Leka, and altogether 7 teams are competing in the championship under 2 groups. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren launches online ticketing platform for Sangai Festival 2022. Works Minister Govindas THANGJAM calls for wise use of plastic products and management of plastic waste to save the earth. And Agriculture Minister THANGJAM Biswajit says government will provide various benefits to those interested in oil palm cultivation. And that's all we have in this edition of the English Primetime Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipur Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Till then, good night.
Hello Manipur! Hero Island ki saruk ama oina lakliban November gi tang kun mathoi gi numidang gi pung 3 taba matamda Kumal Lampakta Draw Football Club amadi Cantor Football Club ani gi marakta sanagadawriba football match asigidamak ticket thaba hokjare VIP gina lupa